It was early morning. Today was Ayesha's very first day of school.
Aisha, get ready quickly. It's your first day of school. Mummy, I'm feeling a little nervous. Don't be nervous, dear. Everything will be fine. You'll make new friends and you'll have lots of fun.
It was Ayesha's very first day of school. Ayesha picked up her school bag, and both of them left for school.
Mummy, will people like me? Of course, dear. If you open your heart and make friends, everyone will like you.
When they reached school, the playground was very big and colorful.
Look, dear, how beautiful the school is. Yes, Mummy, but it feels a little scary too.
The teacher welcomed the children and took them to the classroom. The classroom was very lovely. Colorful posters were on the walls, and pencils and notebooks were ready on every desk.
Good morning, Ayesha. Welcome to your class.
Good morning, teacher. Dear, you go and enjoy. Yes, Mummy.
The first activity was drawing time.
This is my favorite cartoon character, Minnie Mouse.
Everyone saw Ayesha's drawing and clapped for her. Then it was story time for a while. The teacher told a sweet story.
Children, now we will talk about the story.
Teacher, I also want to share something.
Of course, Ayesha, go ahead.
The story was very interesting.
Ayesha participated in the classroom discussion and also made new friends. Then it was lunchtime.
Mummy gave her the lunchbox. Thank you, Mummy.
Ayesha sat with her friends and ate her lunch.
Mummy, I really like school. I have made a friend named Sarah. Wow, dear, I'm very happy. Making friends is the most important thing.
After school, when they were going back home,
Mummy, I will go to school again tomorrow. I had so much fun today. Tomorrow again, we will get ready for school together. Your school journey has begun.
at night after dinner, Ayesha gave her mom a tight hug.
Mummy, I will talk to you about school every day. I will always be ready to listen, dear. Every day of your school life is special.
And like this, Ayesha's first day of school ended with happiness, excitement, and a little nervousness.